Hi guys, so today we are going to see how we can install Node and uninstall Node in Mac system. So first of all, we'll see there's no Node in my system. So command not found because it is not installed. So we are going to install it first. Visit nodejs.org and here you need to choose recommended for most users. This is for long-term support. Go ahead and download it. Once downloaded, double click to install it. So hit continue, agree, continue, and if you want to change the location you can change it. I'll go with the default one. Install. Now it will ask to enter the system password. Enter the system password and click on install software. So it's getting installed now. Okay, successfully installed. Okay, now we'll see. Okay, you can see that Node is installed 12.18.2. Okay, so this is how we install Node. Now we are going to uninstall Node from Mac system. In order to do that, first of all check which directory are you in. So I'm in users Rukmani Bhagat. Now I'm going to navigate back. Under CD users, check the list. So we have local, we need to enter in local. Here we need to select includes first. So enter in include and you can find node.js installed here. So remove that. Sudo rmrf node. It will ask for a password. Enter the password. So node is removed now. Now we have to remove it from two more location, from lib file and from bin. So going to remove from lib, node modules, sudo rmrf. Okay. It's removed now. Now navigate back and enter in bin folder, and here we have to remove node from here, and if you want to remove npm you can remove this as well. So sudo rmrf node and sudo rmrf npm. Now if you check the directory, node and npm is deleted. So this is how you remove node from your system. Now we'll check if this system has node or not. We'll check with the node version. Command not found. Node is successfully uninstalled from your system. So this is how you uninstall Node from your system. Thank you for watching.